Good morning, everybody. So it is 4 a.m. right now, and gonna be heading out. Gonna go pick up Hutch. Right now, he's about an hour north of me. And then we're gonna keep hitting the road to drop off the frame over to Evolutionary Rides. So we'll catch you guys in a little bit. What's up? So been riding around for a while. Just ran out of fuel. Not ran out yet, but came to fuel up. And you know, truck's been all right. Everybody's been doubting me, but nothing fell off yet. Going good, enjoying the sunrise. I picked up a hitchhiker, even though my parents always told me never to pick up a hitchhiker.
Ah!
What's up, dude?
What up, bro?
Oh, shit.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good.
Hope you don't mind, man, hitching a ride.
Yeah, you know.
So Hutch is hopping along.
What up?
We're gonna have a fun day. He wanted to pick up some tailgates from Joey.
Tailgates, man. Tailgates, I love them.
And who's gonna turn down a co-pilot? You know, if I get a little tired, I probably won't let him drive, but at least he will keep me awake. So yeah, we're gonna fuel up.
Truck?
Yeah, right, sure, about that. So yeah, we're gonna fuel up a little bit. We'll catch you guys in a while. See ya. All right, so we're about to pull up to Joey's, and everybody who thought that this frame wouldn't make it and my whole setup wasn't gonna work, you were wrong. Made it, or did we?
It's still there, man.
Yeah, didn't even have to do nothing. Straps check every time we pulled over, which was twice, and that's it. So we're pretty much about to pull up and then unload this thing, have a little bit more fun.
We're at the Gold Coast.
Yep. We don't know why it's called that, but
yeah, maybe we should look it up.
Yeah. So we'll catch you guys in a little bit.
What's up, Joey?
What's going on, dude?
What's up, bro?
Going, nice truck, man.
Heck yeah. We're gonna pull up. See you guys in a second. Well, made it to Joey's. Looks like he's being extra careful.
Awesome, man. This is awesome. Right.
Yeah. Everybody really thought that shit wasn't gonna work.
Drove it freaking road trip.
Yeah. I actually really can't believe that wrap held
Why,
up.
man? You did it, man. Custom fab. You said you wanted to be a fabricator.
That's more carpentry.
It's all right.
All right, so now we're unloading it.
Are we unstrapped?
Yeah, you're good.
All right, so now we got the frame in here.
So install this beautiful pure one back on here.
So we're gonna get a couple things ready, and then we'll see you guys. All right, so now we're gonna be installing the QA1 front suspension on Oscar, and gonna just time lapse it. If you guys want to see the detailed install, you can go to QA1.net. They have their full instructions, or you can go to F100 Builder's Guide, and you'll see all of that on there. So enjoy the time lapse. So as you guys know, I came out to Evolutionary Rides today to drop off the frame for Oscar the Bump. And if you guys didn't know, Joey also is the owner of Saving Old Steel. And you can see, he saves a lot of it. A lot of it. So one of the specialties that he does is you tell him, hey, I need a green patina fender to match my truck. He finds you one. And he's got complete trucks, we've got parts, we've got a little bit of everything. I've probably been out here 10 times. I've never seen the same truck twice. So he's always getting new inventory. And here's Hutch. I think he bought 11 tailgates, some grills. What are you doing?
What's up, son? I'm driving my truck.
Yeah, no. But yeah, Joey's got some badass stuff. Oh, and there's Oscar all the way in the corner. Can't wait to eventually get that thing driving. It's got a long road ahead, but it's getting done right, and that's what's important. Looking as good as ever. Oh, I missed that truck. Well, we're gonna be hitting the road, heading back home, so we'll see you guys in the next clip.
So, Saul is having a little meeting and decided I'll steal his truck. Might go get me some coffee, but I figured while I'm here, I might as well throw a little plug in. I'm Harvey Hutch from Hutch's Welding, and very excited that F100 talk is you know, coming out and about, and I'll be on that, so keep a lookout for that. Saul and I will be doing an interview together. Basically, I rode up here with him to check out Joey at Evolutionary Rides, and while I was here, decided to pick up my girl a nice little mountain bike, and decided to pick up myself a bunch of tailgates. So I'll be selling a bunch of tailgate benches, making them and stuff. So anyway, have fun, Saul. Bye.
All right, just made it back to West Palm Beach. Got the Hutch's house. Got his truck over here. Got what used to be my truck and his truck over here. Gonna unload all his tailgate wires today. And yeah, it's gonna be drift car.
Started it all right there.
Got about an hour left to my house, so I'm gonna help him unload. Last clip. So just unloaded some of the gates.
More collection for me.
Yeah. So how's the day?
It was good, man. Very eventful.
Yeah.
Yeah, had a good time. Nice little ride around in my truck.
Yeah, I don't know about that. He keeps on saying it. So
Every time.
no. But anyway, first of a bunch of fun road trip, I'm sure. And we'll catch you guys in the next clip, because I think there might be one when I get back to the house. So see ya. Alright, so made it back to the house. It's about 12 o'clock at night. I'm beat, only had 2 hours of sleep last night. Goldust performed well. The roof rack didn't fail. Me and Harvey had a really great day. He picked up a bunch of tailgates. We got some stuff done on Oscar the Bump. And just want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing. You know, like the video. If you want to comment, let me know your thoughts. It's always appreciated. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Later.